So Pixellot's system, which incorporates automated video and analytics to capture every moment of the game, will provide teams with faster and more in-depth analytics. By incorporating Playmaker's technology, Pixellot's platform will allow the tracking of every aspect of a player's performance, from passing and kicking to speed and distance traveled, all in one video platform. So Philip, tell me a little bit more about that.
Well, one thing that I find interesting is a lot of there's two takes on how these types of systems work. One is a visual with visual cameras tracking the individual players, and the other one, which has been around a little bit longer, is actually having sensors on the individual players. And there are several companies that do that. And this, I think, is one of the first where they're combining the two together. So it's very interesting from from obviously a performance perspective on the players being able to identify how well a player is doing and giving feedback. What I think is going to be kind of interesting is how this technology then can be incorporated into the broadcast, so that you'll have stats about, especially in a sport like football, where you know how many plays and how far the person's run because it's a stops. Soccer is one of those things that once the game starts until you hit halftime or the end of the game, there really isn't much stopping. And so this will provide that data to help commentators provide additional information about the player. He's running a little bit slower because he's already run 12 miles in today's game, and he usually averages 6 miles a game or something like that. So I think it's an interesting technology, and it will be just as interesting to see how live television sports exploits it.